Spend a day with me.
Yeah, much better.
Oh, sanibona babhemi bami. Asihambeni siyeni emfuleni. Lana-ke babhemi bami, kusihambe ngithathe isnack. Angidli babhemi bami, ngifastile 14 days yonke. Angidli kudla, angiphuzi utshwala, ngiyakhuleka. Angilali babhemi bami, ngikhulekele i-26 ma-free cleansings. Abanye ababhemi bangibuza ukuthi gogo njengoba nathi siza kuma-free cleansings bangigibile ababhemi. Gogo ngibhukhe nami ngifakele isipini. Mase kumele kukhokhwe i-transport ababhemi sekukhokha abantu. Ayi kodwa uNkulunkulu wami kulungile. Ngizohamba nalaba abaphumelelile. Bengicela indlela-ke la babhemi bami. Ngicela indlela yokuya emfuleni, sicela ukusebenza. Ngikhathala babhemi kodwa kuzokhanya. Lana-ke besicela indlela yokuya emfuleni. Kulungisa iladi-ke lakambhemi. Ayikho into engiyithanda njengomuntu uya-all out for izinto zakhe. It comes with the results, trust me. It comes with the results and it starts with ukuthi uzizwe after iy'nsebenzo ukuthi ufila kanjani. Yoma results azayo-ke yizo iy'mpawu zokuthi kuhambe kahle. Yoma indlela i-energy oyifila after ama-cleansings wherever you go. Uma ufila light awukwazi ukuhamba ubuye uyongena efuthweni uzizwe usafana. Hayi akwazi mbhemi wami. Ngiyala. So-ke ngoba umthetho uthi kuyadliwa babhemi bami. Sihlala phansi uNkulunkulu wami sidle. Ngikwazi ukuthi ngidla kakhulu bekumele ngibambe lapho nalapho ngithi cabu ngoba isisu sami akumelanga kule 14 days sizwakala ukuthi sinokudla. I drink water like hell. Ngiyawaphuza amanzi babhemi bami. Yazi mabathi njalo ngivuka nesigodi kodwa ngingakawi. Hayi ngizonizilela babhemi bami. So ngifuna ngithola ama-promotion, ngifuna yazi ngiyanikhulelela mani yonke into eniyifisayo noma iy'fiso zenu ngingazazi zonke kodwa ngithi yabona after lama-free cleansings ama-testimony engizowathola. Hayi babhemi bami, I pray for you guys more than I pray for myself. I pray for you more than I pray for myself. Lana-ke umuntu sekabuyile endlini. I was tired. This was my first day of class. And these were my students' work. First day, no second day. Thank you for watching. Ngiyakhohlwa ngiyavula nge-1 section F Sale Street yakaJerry. Okay. Ngizobonana lapho-ke kusale babhemi bami bhekana umsebenzi wama-students wami u-second day. Kodwa shembe. Hayi.